must I be with you? I put my all in right. Man moves time with care. Hands got moments soft yet fair. I promise patience never rush. Your worries melt without a hush. I paint desire using tone. Confidence fully overthrown. Heartbeat guided by my sway. You drift, surrender, choose to stay. Cadence wraps you, silk and flame. Trust me, now I know the game. Feminine power sets the pace. Gentle strength you cannot replace. Tonight I lead you gladly, follow my rhythm. Show me your approval, feel the right. I give devotion, pure and wide. Every note designed for you. Measure passion, smooth and true. I take control with velvet sound. You pulse the lines, we spin around. No pressure here, just flowing heat. I set the tone, you move your feet. Say it plain, don't fight the fear. Your reaction tells me everything. From my lips, desire blooms, stay strong forever tonight. As rhythm guides our private connect slowly and fully agreed. I read your signals, subtle cues, anticipation, softly bruised. My melody becomes your space, a tender daring, winning chase. I honor limits, raise the bar. Each second pulls us where we are. My confidence is coming short, an invitation, rich and pure. You trust the way I take the lead. This moment gives you all you need. I guide the night with grown allure. Every promise feels secure. No pretending, just my truth. Wrapped in warmth, the eternal you. My presence sings, you deeply breathe and fully believe.